Hello everyone, it's Anetcha Fairy Dust Nails again. My beautiful nail techs out there. It's busy season. We want to help as many clients as we can, and we want easy, fast designs to give our clients the best service that we possibly could. And now we're going to do another snowflake design, but we're going to take a fat chance and do it out of the normal colors. We're going to have a white background. And I'm going to coat this nail with two coats of white, cure it, and then we'll be back to do the design. Okay, so we have 2 coats of white gel on this nail. So now I'm loading up my very thin striper brush with quite a bit of paint. But you'll see that let's put it, where can we see? There we go. Let me put this at the back. You'll see that I've loaded it actually from the back of the brush hair to the front so that we can draw a proper line. Going across. Then a little bit shorter. From there to the middle, I'm turning the nail a little bit shorter. Same length the other way. And that is the lines done for now. Now we're gonna, let me just elongate this one a little bit. That's it. Now I'm going to cure this for 60 seconds. Okay, so the basic lines are cured now. I'm going to take a very small, thin brush. I'm going to dip the end in the black. And start off basically where the shorter stripes are. Press down and pull. Press down and pull. Press down, pull. Press down and pull. Press down and pull. And this is how we carry on until all the long ones are done. Okay. Now we're going to go to the long ones still. Do the same. Little bit smaller, tiny bit smaller. Let's cure this just for a few seconds. We're going to carry on I'm going to show you. I'm not going to explain very much because now we're just going to carry on with this. The same method. And you see the shorter ones are done already. So we've got one more to go. Yeah. Okay. Then I'm going to take the dotting tool. Let me just see where my little tiny one is. Taking a very, very, very small one. Dipping it in the black. Small, very small dots. There where the shorter lines are, we haven't put any of those curlies on. So there we're going to put some of the little dots. And we're going to cure this for now. Now I'm taking the bigger dotting tool, dipping it into the black. Make one dot, a big dot here. Another big dot there. Now you make sure that your tiny little brush is wiped off properly, the tiny little one, that one. And then what you do is you dip into the dot and pull. Dip into the dot and pull. I'm just going to take it off the stand for now. Dip in, pull, dip in, pull, dip in, pull, and dip in, pull, and pull. That is the design done for now. We're going to cure it and top coat. We're just putting on a top coat. I'm going to use the diamond top from Precision from Gel Polish. It's a very, very shiny, non-sticky layer top coat. And there we go. I'll take a picture. Like I always say, I'll put one at the front of the video and I will also put one at the back of the video. Hope you enjoyed this and let's look forward to the next one. Cheers everyone. Speak to you just now.